Okay, day 4 and day 5, so that's the final stretch.
That's right. It's a few days of hiking, but it's well worth it. Our camp really is this beautiful. It's amazing.
So we leave at the sunrise and all the way down from here essentially, and then the good thing is that because it's we're going down, we have the views in front of us, the views of the mountains and the Machu Picchu. This is the Machu Picchu actually.
So on the last day, on the fourth day, because of where our camp was, we weren't going to visit Swiniwena, but we insisted on going, even though it meant adding an extra, how many hours? 2 hours?
45 minutes.
40, yeah. So, but we really wanted to see it, and definitely go see it if you have the chance. All day long, we hear about this Dead Man's Pass. So I've been dreading it because I kept hearing that it's like a 45-minute steep climb up, and you're gonna bust your kneecaps and it's gonna be tough. So I was bracing myself the whole day until we got there, and it was like a 30 seconds climb. There were maybe 45 steps.
Yeah, they're just 50 steps. They call it the Gringo's Killer,
the Gringo's
right?
Killer, yeah.
Afterwards, you're really close to the Sun Gate. And then when you arrive at the Sun Gate, this is your first view of the Machu Picchu citadel. And this, to me anyway, I thought it was quite amazing that suddenly we reach a peak, and on the other side you see the citadel. To me, the Machu Picchu was everything I was hoping it would be, and then some.
It was the postcard view. And usually when you see the real thing, you feel a little let down, but in this case, it was the postcard view.
So on day 5, then what we did is that we climbed the Huayna Picchu, which is the mountain in the back of Machu Picchu.
Now, if these pictures look steep, it's because they really are that steep. It almost felt vertical at some point. So be careful, it's doable, but just watch your steps.
So then May and we went back to Aguascalientes, not by bus, by taking the trail. It took about 45 minutes, and meanwhile the rest of the team, they waited for the bus, and they arrived about probably half an hour after we did.
There was a huge lineup for people taking the bus down.
We arrive at Aguascalientes. It's a nice little town, friendly, and lots of hikers obviously there, and lots of food to be had, and drinks. This is us on top of Huayna Picchu. That's it. That's our 4 days Inca Trail plus one.
Yeah.
Hope you liked it.